No, the sprinklers are going to come on later at night.
At night?
Mm-hmm.
What's she doing out here?
What's Lexi doing? She figured out that water comes out of the sprinkler and leaves a puddle, and then she drinks from it. Psst. Hey, do you know your name?
Jorge Carlos.
Uh-huh. Your name is Jorge Carlos. And did you know that Yeya has a tummy ache and she's in the hospital?
She's in the hospital?
Yeah, she has a bad tummy ache, so the doctors are going to fix her now. Could you wave hello to Yeya for me? Wave like this. Wave. And how about blowing her a kiss? Go like this. Mwah! I will not blow her a kiss. How about just kiss? Mwah! Pseudo kiss. Not bad, not bad. All right. Say hi, Yeya.
Hi,
The dog says hi too. Say, feel better, Yeya. Moon? You from the moon? It's not up there. Not yet. It'll come out later. Psst. Can you try saying, I love you?
I love you.
Feel better.
Feel better.
Bye, Yeya.
Bye, Yaya.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Good job, buddy.